There it goes. Going paragliding.
I'm not expecting any early clouds. Drove up. Guys, if you want to know what it should look like when we get up here for good flying, this is it. Good job.
Here we are getting all set up. Chutes are out. Just waiting on some wind. Just a little bit to pick up. I think so.
You got your video rolling?
Got my video rolling.
Launch in, walk forward.
Okay.
Nice. Keep trying to walk.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. You ready to swim?
Yep.
Here we go. Go. Nice. Stop running. Elbows in.
Oh, there we go. Now I sat in.
There we go.
Oh, perfect.
You can come back more if you like. Okay. Nice.
Oh, that's awesome.
Woohoo!
That's so cool.
That was easy, right?
That's so cool. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Flying like a bird.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's with the bye. Who's flying with
Oh,
the
that's
bye?
Johnny. Yeah. There's Johnny. And John's taking off over there in the distance.
Father-in-law taking off right now.
Yes, that's John's of dad, and Johnny's, yeah, Johnny's the son.
Oh, I see.
John and Johnny.
Look way to our right is the top of Haleakala.
Oh, wow.
Towers up there, so that's 10,000 feet. Do a flyby.
Yeah. There's John up there. Actually, yeah.
He was saying flying in formation, so here we go.
Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh, yeah. He definitely wanted the flight information. There's John up there, right above us.
Do you have a... I was going to see if you wanted to steer. You got a wrist guard on that thing.
Yeah.
That and steer at the same time.
Okay.
Come on.
So let's.
Yeah, or you can actually grab there.
Grab right there.
I'll take the Relax. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
That's so cool.
And we'll start to pull it. Go
Okay.
ahead. Give it a little more.
A little more. Okay.
Oh, that's so cool. Good job. Cool. Nice. Hands up all the way now. Good job. Nice flying. Look to the right, and then we'll just lean next. So cross your feet too. Yeah, put them under that. Nice. And now pull right. There you go. Hold it there. That's so cool. Nice. Yeah, it's very intuitive how it works. Pretty easy. Nice. Hands up all the way. Good. And steer a little to the left now. We'll sort of follow them. Yeah. A little more left. Cool. Get your feet.
Oh, yeah?
It's hard for me to turn it to face you.
Oh yeah, no, that's all right. What's up?
Nice. There we go.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was really cool, yeah.
As you see, paragliding, it's pretty easy stuff. It's
Yeah.
really fun. It makes it so much fun. That is pretty
Yeah.
simple.
And then now, if you were to do this like by yourself, could you like catch? I heard them talking about the thermals and stuff, and
Yeah, so
ride you for a
I'll
while?
keep you up here as long as I can. But
yeah.
the first flight of the day is usually not too much lift.
Okay. Because that's
Yeah,
up
so
here,
I will
yeah.
keep you up as long as I can.
That's so cool.
As the sun heats and it gets warmer and warmer, there's a little bit of lift.
Okay, yeah, definitely.
So it's just not strong enough to keep us up.
Okay.
That's the deal.
Yeah, it's real relaxing almost too.
It is very relaxing. It's not really what people expect.
Yeah.
You know, we can make it more exciting. That was actually going to be my next question.
I'm okay with whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to do like a roller coaster,
Yeah.
we can do a roller coaster.
Okay.
All right, we're going to wait till we get to our highest point. So
Okay.
that's where we're going to land down
Yeah.
near the cows. So I'll wait till we get a little higher and then I'll do our.
All right. What do I expect on the roller coaster? I'm just.
We're going to go back and forth,
Oh, cool.
back, forth, and then we're going to do a spiral dive.
Cool. Sounds good.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's have some fun.
All
It's
right.
going to be big, okay?
There we go. Oh.
Here's the big
Yeah.
one more.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Yeah. Oh God, that's awesome. That's so cool.
Whee, over the mountain.
Jeez.
Alright. So we only do that when we're up high.
Yeah.
We wouldn't do that when we're low.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
We'll go fly over these treetops over
Okay.
and get some different views. You see our ground speed is like 20 miles an hour,
Okay.
25 miles an hour, something like that. Yeah, it's good views. That's what it's really all about.
Yeah.
It's all about the visual pleasure of like enjoying it from a bird's eye view.
Yeah, jeez. Now, what's like the what's like the longest times or like the longer times you can like you've been up?
Here the longest flights usually are about 2 hours.
Oh my God.
On the mainland,
Yeah.
we can go over 100 miles. We can stay up for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, depending on skill, you know,
Yeah.
and conditions.
That's amazing. Lunch from down here too?
Yeah, this is our training hill.
Okay.
This whole field is our training hill.
That's awesome.
So that's like, if
Yeah.
you were to take lessons, that
Yeah.
would be gate forward.
Okay.
You'd be there.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. See, that was just the first really
That's
good
so
one we
cool.
hit. You know,
Yeah.
where you're getting some lift. It's like, oh, this is nice. Good, we'll get at least their landing here.
Okay. That's so cool. Yeah, you can definitely feel the temperature difference every once in a while.
Yeah, right?
It's really cool.
A little warmer as we got lower. So it's going to be a fast landing.
Okay.
So we're going to just sit on our butts and slide, okay?
Sounds good to
so
me.
Just when we land,
Yeah. Yeah, you want them just like...
yeah, keep
okay.
them up. Yeah, perfect.
Sounds good.
And the reason is, if you dig in your heels, then we're going to sort of tumble
Okay.
over. Yeah, so I'll just say to you, keep them up.
Okay.
So we got it. It'll be really easy.
All right.
The hard part was the takeoff, and that was easy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Gonna feel fast, and then we'll just slide. Okay, here we go. Keep 'em up,
Yep. There we go.
That was it.
Cool.
Good job, Michael. That was awesome, man.
That was great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
One more on this
All
side,
right.
and then we'll get your father-in-law there.
Okay, cool. Cool. All right. Am I good to...
Yeah, good to go.
Sweet. Yeah, thank you so much, Paul. That was so cool. Yeah. Oh, man. That was awesome.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Jeez. There's John back there. All right. Coming in Cal Landon.
Going a little long.
Here comes John. There we go. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was really
There
fun
it
flying
is.
with
That was,
everybody.
yeah, that was awesome. Cool. Well, thank you again, Paul.
You're welcome, Michael.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
I got your hat.